Hello, lovies! It's another pamper day diri sa the Elixir Aesthetics Center-Argao. So today I will have my Korean glass skin facial treatment. If you can see in the video, the facial cleanser foam is being massaged and lathered on my face to cleanse my face from any dirt. Kaya nagbiyahe man ta from house to the center. Mao na siya guys. So si Giselle di ay ang nag-handle na to today. Ara later on will be helping as well. So muna siya after the facial foam cleanser will be the facial scrub. And its main purpose is to of course remove any dirt in our face, matangtang po ng atong mga blackheads, whiteheads, and mga pimples. Muna siya limpyuhan atong naong guys ug maayo para malimpyo ug mahamis ang atong naong. Then afterwards will be the celestial drip administered by Ara. Muna siya. Wala man ni work ang sa ako ang elbow dapit. So, sa ato ang hand gi-administer ang celestial drip. It has anti-acne, it has immunity boosting properties, and it also has collagen which will help in making sure na cleansed ang ato ang body from toxins and then nindot po na og side effects guys kay makaputi po na siya. So right, thank you so much Ara for that. And then next will we proceed to the pricking of our nose. I-prick ang atong nose ni Giselle to remove stubborn dirt, acne, whiteheads, blackheads. Kana akong ilong guys, every week jud na siya ginaprick ni Giselle. Ubay-ubay gyud ang whiteheads ug blackheads ana na area. Then afterwards will be the suction machine is to suck out the impurities sa atong face, of course, and it will be all over the face, of course. Tangtangon ang mga hugaw, ang mga nabilin sa atong pores na mga buling, ang mga stubborn dirt, mga whiteheads, blackheads as well, o mga anything that can cause acne will be removed. And then afterwards will be the putting of retinol serum into our face. Aside from the benefits that we will get from the retinol, this will also help in making sure the equipment that we will be using later on will just glide through. Dili siya mo pilit sa tong naong, guys. So, mauna siya ang atong retinol serum na gilather and gimassage ni Giselle sa atong naong. Next would be the galvanic machine. This is used to tone our face and flatten the pores sa atong naong para youthful and glowing yun ang ato ang itsura. Alright, and then the next part would be the lifting machine. It's used to lift the sagging parts of our face. So, kanang mga double chin area, ang ato mga cheeks na nagsag na due to age, nindot gini siya na machine, guys. I-lift good. Medyo warm ni siya, ma-feel niyo na warm siya, but it's helping tone our face and lift the sagging areas of our face. Next part would be the eye bag removal process. And if you can see, ang atong left side sa ato ang eye bags ang giuna ni Giselle. And then later on will be the right side. And of course, nindot niya ako ang eye bags kay dili kay siya obvious. Pero if you have trouble with eye bags, this part of the Korean glass skin facial treatment is best for you. Next part is the ice head. I love this part simply because it's very relaxing. And this is used to close the pores because a while ago, especially during the pricking session, pag prick kay naaputay hot steam nagabugas atong naong. And because of that hot steam, ni-open ang atong mga pores. So this part of the Korean glass skin facial treatment process is used to close the pores na open ganina. And then lastly, since naapay retinol serum na mga medyo basa patong naong dihang dapita, gigamitan dayon ani siya na equipment. It's just blowing air onto the face to dry it up. So mooto siya ang atong Korean glass skin facial treatment. Next is the Pico laser treatment, one of my favorites. This is used to lighten mga dark spots, acne marks sa atong naong. If naaga ni acne imong naong when you visit, nindot kayo kay mulaya dayon siya if maigo siya sa laser, guys, after pila ka days. That's why I highly recommend pico laser treatment. And then the next part is the mesolipolysis. Magpag-inject sa mesolipolysis medicine onto my tummy. Um, Left and right side of the tummy will be injected 3 times. Left three, right three. And if you can see, napay bunog from my previous sessions. Normal ra nang mabunog kay they are using equipment for RF and cavitation as well. So if you can see, after sa mesolipolysis sa ato ang tummy, ang arms na pod, left and right, same na siya, 3 shots each to the left, 3 shots each to the right para mahilis ang mga tambok sa ato ang tummy ug arms, guys. So after that, RF and cavitation na dayon. So radio frequency, vacuum, and cavitation machines will be used to help and aid in melting the fats in your tummy and arms area. So, if you seen before, naapod to sa double chin ako sa facial area. Sorry for the background noise, naiiro among silingan. But, if you can see, kana karon vacuum na siya, guys. So, it will suck out any mga fatty areas, and then imura daw na siyang ihi dadalan ninyo ang mga fats, guys. So, muna siya. So, after the mesolipolysis injection sa tummy and the arms area, kay RF, vacuum, and cavitation. So, radio frequency, vacuum, and cavitation na dayon siya sa tummy and sa arms area. So, thank you so much for watching the video and finishing it until this part. And thank you so much for your support. I hope you can also support the Elixir Aesthetics Center-Argao. And if you have any inquiries, please do feel free to leave them in the comment section or message me, guys. Don't hesitate to reach out, gyud. Ayagon mo kaula og reach out kay okay ra jud ko mo reply ra jud ko kung na ako'y time. So thank you once again for the Elixir experience. Gesselle and Ara, I hope to see you on my next vlog. Once again, guys, the Elixir Aesthetics Center-Argao, available to cater to your beauty and wellness needs. Daghang salamat and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you on my next vlog. Bye!